Hello, hope you're having a good day. So today we're going to discuss the income statement, which is the first financial statement, and more specifically, how to account for it using the single step method. So the income statement is also called the profit and loss statement, P&L. So this is where management shows us the results of their operations for a particular period. The income statement shows the organization's sources of revenue, gains, expenses, and losses for the period presented, which results in net income. As you can see, the formula to calculate net income is plus revenues minus expenses plus gains minus losses equals net income. It's important to remember that there are two methods to account for the income statement. There's the single step method and the multi-step method. Today we're going to go with the single step method. However, in a later video, I'll show you how to do the multi-step. And believe me, it's not that difficult. Once you master the single step, the multi-step, you'll get it really quickly. So the single step essentially works like this. All revenue and gains minus all expenses and losses equals net income. It essentially takes the difference between the two to give us net income. I'm going to show you an example really quick, so you might want to write down this formula, pause it for a quick second. Okay. So for example, ABC Company, we have a company's revenue, dividends, gain on sales, cost of goods sold, wage expense, administrative expense, interest expense, income, tax expense, a loss on sale of securities. So scroll back up really quick. As you can see, we need revenue and gains. So let's worry about just getting the revenue and gains, which are sales revenue, dividend revenue, gain on sale, boom, right there. No other revenues there? Okay, let's go back up. We have, and then minus all expenses and losses. Let's see the expenses and losses. The expenses and losses are cost of goods sold, wage expense, administrative expense, interest expense, income tax expense, losses on sale of securities. Now, when we actually set up the formula for the single step method, you, you can see on the ABC company's income statement for the year exactly how we said. We need sales revenue, okay, got that. Dividend revenue, got that. Gain on sales, got that. Since it's a revenue and a gain, all of them go together, and that gives us the total revenue, total revenues and gains. Okay. Minus. Now let's account for the expenses and losses. So cost of goods sold, wage expense, administrative expense, interest expense, losses on sale of securities, income tax expense, and then that gives us the total. And then, like what we said before, we essentially takes the difference between the two, and that gives us net income. Hope this quick little video helped you out with this single step method, and I hope to keep making videos for you guys. Like, comment, subscribe. Have a wonderful day.